and me who color crow? Green bear.
There be gold.
Gold, mama. Oh, okay. Okay.
And I won't show space no.
Shall me who need
We are seeing a buy. I was saying, I remember we are China, ready for no action. I come for a mawin action. I will come say, Monfanchain, infidie. Ha, I say, your point, if you had a son, I to do, I do rather would wash a shadow for fra. I see it, Miss Shelly, you said about what Tim and Kako, I call off a fefino. Over to me at Timinka. But weekend let us say, said the Tia no, oh, and here may be a cano. Be a bear fight. A person was sharing so as said. Anytime you lose the quality part of your brain, you will lose the quality of your life. Fatu utrim, ema rain fida. Ade anyame de man nipa, ade anyame de che nipa, onjim fi wo nsamo da, kosi se wo bewuo. Obi a wanya stroke na dwen ye adwuma. Adwen ne fa e na aye de wo ho. Enu nti no, even though wanya stroke, wo de aduane to nanum a otimi mene. Obi a wanya malaria na dwen wo ho. Empo aka 1 minute a wo bewu no wadwen da wo ho. Anytime you lose the quality part of your brain, you will lose the quality part of your life. Make sure that nothing under the sun will take that quality part of your brain. How do I mean? Adrena nyamede tu yetrimuno, it is the battlefield. If you say a hode yepe a nyamede ma ye no ehye. See me ye. Adrena da yetrim na hone wiase ma brabon tokwa nyina, ekun nyina, enkukuhwe ase nyina, enkunimdie nyina, enkuguo nyina wo yadwem. Any baby, enkuguo ni aban odi wosum. In reality, enkuguo any school a wukọ yem. Enkuguo any sa wukọ school and one co school because who could have master's degree when despite one co class 1 da moye pa na. Yeah. Eti enkuguo e wadwemu. Mintimi nye any baby a e wadwemu. Once I was say ebeye ye e wadwemu. Metimi aye e wadwemu. Where there wo mu time I will survive, I will succeed e wadwemu. So anytime you lose the quality part of your brain, you will lose the quality part of your life. Be very careful what you listen to. Be very careful what your eye captures and saves on your brain. Be very careful what pushes you to act, react. Be very careful. Because adeba kwa we aso a ehunu say ade bia ema wo react no negatively no, it takes portions of your quality brain away. Me kan twi mu ate ase ade bia ema ubufu tie ade bia de abufu ba no ade bia ema wo ye bibia anhwe akire wo benu ho no ade bia ede bibi bama etimi sai wu bibi ade bia ede bibi bama etimi sai bibia enye wa wo de empo eye obi de ade bia etimi si ema esai bibia ewo ukurom ufie oman manto mansini ene hin bia no sa enema no ena dwe wadwe na papa na ewom no etotwene. Eti enye ye sister men can be that. It's a microphone myself captain. It's with the unsura there. Let me tell you today. I am able to come sit here every morning to serve you a quality breakfast because I've determined and I've decided that I will never allow anything to take the quality part of my brain. Be mindful of what takes the quality part of your brain. What's the way we are doing? Mean to me yet. Oh, I dear way dear, me misro, me dear misro, way dear misro. I dear way dear, na me mammy crack home, yare way ne kumi papa, yare way ne kumi mammy. At the material moment, Ubema and no better dream pair, that quality part of your life is gone and gone for good. But don't forget, sir, When you lose the quality part of your brain, that is when you think that you can happy yourself. And you want when you're depression. And what dreams are dreaming? Obi abe who talk as oh happy yourself. Every day me here me a met you when you be a sani pano me catch na one na dream no ya chem 100 no ya yi 70 to atwene. Why you depressed? So anytime everybody would say, oh, my way free, my Jamie God in Nana Kwame there, GH boy there, oh, hey. As soon as that comes to mind, it means that you are losing the quality part of your brain. The reason is that God cannot establish, God cannot propose, God cannot do anything on earth without the people around you. Eh? But at the end of the day, if God wants to bless you or want to do something, he will use the same people around you. Because the reason is that you chose the people around you. When I was selecting nipa de twa ho hia it is a nyame person ye bibi won life ma onko fa obi aso mako bi do be fa obi ofi a chiri but won nyina no obefa nipa na oben won won atwa ho hia da. So be careful, but be very intelligent and make sure that you do not lose the quality part of your brain. If you do that, you will lose the quality part of your life. The family quite smart. I hire on your TV. Fabewosu ni. And I mention. What a crab roaching no maba. But what tell me? Well, sir. Say I'm no casino. Unless the 4 PROs and then I say a friend saying. That guy, I don't even want to talk about him. But who said politics are just the quality part of his brain. You're five be bro serious. But maybe the days ahead of us. I'll tell you something about herbal medicine. In the Bible days, there was nothing called doctor. Any nurse. Doctors don't know. No money here. Only be drew. Eti or maybe a was assist one. And what the Yamisi chair once one saw who ya there. Uko Japana. One of them panier. And what your friend acupuncture. Yet the wow. Yeah, the pandemic sisi baby ya wo ya, wuti ya wo ya. I was even shocked. In 2019, who said, yeah, the acupuncture, I rectify a kidney problem. But catch what I read it. Don't just sit down. Now what do you say? Maybe you want to consume. Sometimes read. Acupuncture. Yeah, the pandemic they were able to use acupuncture to rectify a kidney problem. Japan for what the no. Chinese one the no. Edo edidiye kurana. China and Japan for the nuya. He is smart. China for the pempro and edidiye. Japan for the nuya and edidiye. America and UK Europe for the moment and nadia and edidiye. Yanso ya the yensa and edidiye. Until you to be who won't say until you go school no we won't say. And okay, one more them I know be answer. Aje power pay. We won't say. Now we teach a show more room. Now or the about more so. The reason is that enye dua and I would didie enye no na nyame de baye. Number 2, enye dade and I would didie. It's a cutlery. Enye no na nyame de baye. Ye nyame kire yen say. Esan say ye benum nunum ye di nyanya be ye ho adwuma ye baba boden akofa nufutabirebe krama akote ene saa ne mani na akasi ani e de asa ye ho yade na ye nsa ene ye de tienti no esese ye be ye nsa e ye clean. He is smart. Eti nyame man ye teacher for kra nimdia a obehwe wo morem or de aba boso if say kwade smart wo moremu afu efi akwashe. Watch this. Then to the Phoebe akwashe o morem na ada ntundum. What do you who? And never be why I am near who. And see, you do baby, a baby draw. So I catch us a baby draw way. A cum virus, a cum bacteria. Opa, cofa, bronedro. I don't cry. I had a friend say antibiotics. Remember, antibiotics to the sea differ. Never be near the sea bunkum. Nayan Tunchia. Now, look at the near shade. Young Peppy Pabby, we're more the same viral load. Now we're no, but I say antibiotics. No, now we're soon be near Bruno. I want to have 3 days back. 1 week, now back home in the area. I be drop as a one no man. So what's your pie? My own twasso and a palm. If you say, I know a 2 here. A 2 here. And you know, men can't say my man nurses in one hole. But yet, we need to go for what God gave us. But I know you another day discussion. Sabra say, when presenters meet the radio, so the TV, so one baby to more hospital. Obekum ye. Mamma can't just ask what to say. What do you say? You slow who are waiting. But the ten say, Unyansa and a swat, meaning some mamma no papa that year. And some will say a foul co crum, a crassia with freedom. Wundru class 1, and so walking Nagati. Many before share what them already nest. I will crum her.
Who are Jimmy for a bebrew?
Many say, why do you want to bro Simon? I don't want to talk about you, but it's part of a common kitchen. Mammy move it to the better common kitchen. Number 2. Yeah. Say, what private school piano? What Barbecue? When? What Barbecue? A free senior high school, no. Wow, what a plan, what a policy. But you can't say, one a private senior high school, Sinina, not egu. Because will be a person than a back. Will be a person than a back. Equa buying school. Said about your own tia. John, God bless you. Haruna, God bless you. It is a say no private school be on important one. We ban back school or free senior high school free.
Captain.
And no na John person ya nipa bi ntiasia. Was say or person review free senior high school no beguno. Say so wukunu wo yere busuani wo fa. O ma me o papa. E wo school a enya aban dia. Eteten kwada wo secondary a. Or become free senior high school free.
Captain Smart, the king of morning.
But I dare say, I said, and so say, make sure, say, kwada 20 the war 20 na betro. So here 20 man shut down Danny 2 in yen 3, Momo 30.
He is smart.
So I'm here 30, I man yen say, and yen say, Momo 80. Cause on my year Timuno yan ye kum ye home. Yen tear no say. Damn it, deputy woman say I am no case no. Oje, say school dey start in September biom. Ye Jesus ano ye ko secondary school ye ko school September. Ye say ye ko school September they say, January and February. Ye papa no sikasa. March and April ye ko di Easter and kwemu asan ye de. May, June, next school I had the job. Ose, Kutawansa, Bosome. Eti, Yan Samuno. I hear a swa July, ni Amakwine. Bravie. Eti, July, any August, if any swung kitten. In so we obesora no pado na kakra pete o car so besora no pado kakra pete o compound besora no pado kakra pete ha say any ade eti July August. Ya wo ya maame ne ya papa mo nchen. Sa mra na nipa hyedam nti wo kire ye nyansa wo fie. Ehwo no ye nanom ne ye gyanom ade fie nyansa wura yadwe mu. Eti club ya santi kotokon ni. Otumfo se to ababi o. Ghana hene. Ose bosome nson. Ye kire nyansa nson. Ohene wadama mampagya mu. Ohene papa ba ko pe. Ya wa ma hene bebre wo Ghana, but there's only one king. Ghpagetv, ghpagenews. There's only one king in Ghana. Ya wa ma hene but there's only one king. Ose bosome nson ye de kire nyansa nson. Efise ukọ school a ye kire wadwen, e kire de wo bukum ene ya adwen. Ena wo ba fie a ye kire wo nyansa nte ye fa na fie nyansa. Eti ebedu September no. Na ye kire wo school a wo de free school ba fie. Na de wo ba fie so ma me no papa so kire wo. Wo ye be ma se de ye bo oba. Wo ye be ma se de ye tiri ye adwuma. Ede hwe oba wo ye be ma se de ye afuo wo ye be ma se de odi wo papa chikwa ye adwuma wo ye oba so se de yesu aduane noa wo ye oba se de sisi niema wo ye oba se de sisi sefie ye de bosom nson no na kire wo eti wo bedru school September no na wo hunu se kwen e fa so ye to wo mpa se be ma kwen e fa so ye to mpa oba eti tetiri na no se ye bosom nson no emema ni di ye papa no machiko ye adwuma na ma no so no ma me no trafias won abeto ye nti wo girls dormitory bia e ho feche boys dormitory pato me wa
the king of morning
obi tell boys dormitory any mixed school na girls dormitory e ho ye feature boys dormitory it is not correct yeah ba shit ni kura no ye nsi
he is smart.
What did I mean? So I am so happy and glad. Sir, His Excellency, any Haruna Idrisu, etimi pushi Adriano pia sama say na me no kasa no. Ye be school September. Ebi de be first week in September. Primary and junior high school no. And you see, many time at GH boy call secondary school. Yeah, either the third week or the fourth week in September, which is the last week in September. The NTA na ye school last week in September and say, na yempese akwada bi ho be school e be ka say ne papa ne mame entimi entua the school fees, even though say no e free.
He is smart.
It is the last week in September, the third week in September. A fee 23rd, equasi 25th. No, one papa no mo sika no wodi kan tua mo school fees. And the year so na ye mame no mo ya nurse for any drug technicians, let dispensers no. Yes, so you should are late. By 3 days, 4 days. Because your tracker ABR 24th, 25th, 26th, or 27th. Na katua naba. Na yes so no, ya ma me no the school fees. Aka ye ho, na ye ko school, na ye subadwen. This is the kind of government I was telling you, sir. Vote for them.
Smart.
I am not here for NDCU. Neither am I against the MPP. No. But a thought that we are banya as a wutie. 2022, when I started saying, sir, if I were the president, I will reset Ghana. Let me say this. Mokrasa Mutiamka. And it's for Mokrano. Me intellectual property.
When
I don't change. Say your mind. So come be far. And your head. And no natural was say no brother you woman. We are parental. Provisions now the Bama Banako school. It's in the last week of September. No, we are there. So we are Muslim Juma near Triauka. Watch this. So when you are Muslim Juma, ye tena kuraseno. Ta man ye chabru near ton. Ye ton second week, third week, or the last week of August. Mebwana. Sabran ye buabru. Sabran ye tuba ire. Sabran ye trouble de. Sabran ye tubanche. na watimi akoton in August na wabobo sika ni bi ano e de agu ho na wo ba na ko school September we yi ama no pacho me boada eti sa wo ya abanya ese sa wo calculate enye de wo wutim sa wakoda small girl bi nchen wo sorry ya na heat aba wutim ka say heat
cathedral no de kwen bi aso ebesi
na wo de no bu mai no
kwen bia
bu mai sa ese wo timi ye calculation ebeboa eti say won a eti nkuto e August won a etwa rio e August won a etwa heat e August banche board ya bankani ebro August bibi a wo ye bia na ye twa no August sade be ya obetimi ya tombi September wo de kotua wo school fees John, I salute you this morning. Who in Ghana? But challenge you, please say. So, only my catch on. Let them be person at show, baby. My man, oh, they will find him to answer. I could tell you now, Michamu. Moamu, who may know Yamishamu. Independent being who me, Swami, who they will miss in Antekura, when I'm Suman, I drove a boarding. Money. Ah! Wow. Anyway, eti dear Danono. But now, Sawosha Abrantia na. So. Oh, Kase. So. Police say you more the video into your memo. So. Or say what to send microphone to radio ni TV so. We see the yes and JB the year Fabewosu me do na me. Anka we see that. Or say, when we send microphone to radio so, when you to TV so, when now you better be 2 or more hospital. Can be I say, Sanka me health minister. Abrantia no, me you didn't know. We was what him say. Say me catch Abraham said, "Train I'll be one." Ah, there, Eddie me but sir, Obia or your nurse catch or say, Mubaba be 2 years. Panya be no de be wo ye. Eti we mu na da wo ma me yam boso me nkono ana. We mu na na. Eti won papa nya adaje woro ne ho ne ma me da me nyinse no wo na akwa we.
De wasem ko.
E ko so wo ma wo.
We ye jimini.
Really? But you find on tonchai. Video no ho. Is it ready? But video no na ente no.
One more swear Casa Sarme, my condemn several occasions. Say we shouldn't also tackle it in that manner. And it shouldn't be. Those journalists, we have marked them. They will come and meet us at the hospitals. After you, I'm serious about it. Why are you saying that? Hey? I'm saying it because we need to prove to them. Listen, hold on. We need to prove to them, say, we are professionals. We will demonstrate to them that we are professionals. How? We will prove to them that we are professionals. You understand it? I'm not saying you're on body. You're on body. Me can say you be prove that we are professionals. So send me on so yeah, it's a wound. Yes, I answer. You be your hospital. So I'm to office, radio station. I'm okay. Hade omode. Omoba yes, you take consulting room. Yes, no, we will be professionals. We will demonstrate to them.
David, you shouldn't have said this.
They're professionals.
You shouldn't have said this.
Ah, I said to me. President, Messi 20. Messi.
What the yes, Lipanaka and so what?
My history. Say, we didn't swear oath to poverty. We didn't swear an oath to poverty. That is a aligner and can see NP before the Casa align. But and then one more swear Casa Sarme, my condemn several occasions. Say we shouldn't also tackle it in that manner. And it shouldn't be. Those journalists, we have marked them. They will come and meet us at the hospitals. After you, I'm serious about it. Why are you saying that? Hey? I'm saying it because we need to prove to them. Listen, hold on. We need to prove to them, say, we are professionals. We will demonstrate to them that we are professionals. How? We will prove to them that we are professionals. You understand it? I'm not saying you're on body. You're on body. Me can say you be prove that we are professionals. So send me on so yeah, it's a wound. Yes, I answer. You be your hospital. So I'm to our office, radio station. I'm okay. Hade omode. Omoba yes, you take consulting room. Yes, no, we will be professionals. We will demonstrate to them.
David, you shouldn't have said this.
They're professional.
You shouldn't have said this.
President, Messi 20, Messi.
When you get Lipanaka, and so what?
My history. Say, we didn't swear oath to poverty. We didn't swear an oath to poverty. That isn't what and the woman who kasa sarme, my say makonde several occasions. Say we shouldn't also tackle it in that manner. And it shouldn't be. Mark you. Those journalists, we have marked them. They will come and meet us at the hospitals. After the
okay.
but tie or she suit.
Present an out one kwana yamosheno. Unsa kwana be kunyen. But wouldn't be. Na JB can say Mrs. Yase. Yet the Abra boy na koja prayer camp. Nyame is not coming to do anything physical for us. Ade bia ye nipa no. Say I didn't mudie na ye no. Nyame meye because Bible do say for the lack of knowledge my people perish. Nimdia me manfo ninti obre. Well, you find on tonche. Let me speak about something. I want to talk about something this morning. Ghana, your labor market no home. That's the main thing I want to talk about. 8, I am done. So please follow me. I'll be running very fast. It is because and then Ghana, your labor market no is very, very tight for the youth of Ghana. Man, who say Ghana Statistical Services say unemployment rate as of 2023 is 14.7. Ewo emebuna wo mfie dunum kosi mfie bionu 9. But kromha so been the 18 years ontimi nya adwuma me ntuaneka adameboa. But unemployment rate na ankasa ewo mem ha no. What can you be catching with say between 15 to 24 years now? You say a 14.7%. After what come one in Asubomwa, you say 29.7% Ghana for the Niajumaye. I want to sit here and tell you it's a lie, bro. Anna Emro. When you check in the company anymore, intense. Check national service for the door e wo ho na check enkwada do say say cry why can force nipa true exams no mo yesen they are over 500,000 are they lie who are senior high school just last year 2024 we bro over 500,000 what they are not to every year we are churning out 305,000 university graduate afibia a man telling maba wa we university first degree o 305,000 eti one we senior high school no emu fa pe and a typical tertiary institutions say nursing, universities are holding now. Half of it. Bisa who say half no mo kwahin. Ebinim kosua adwuma, obesua adwuma be wie no, opedraya onya age ofre be ma bi, na be ma bi anti aboho so be ka cho say geme no da, ansama ma dryer. Oba no be kwa kosua ebia emanka adepam ope machine. So you machine kwa say 1,000 bibi o say bibi age obidin da. Ansa wabani bi so ye be man so a ye se bomodi na kobre umojani na pesika kakrabra na busuare de ye wonie na ono so akwa kofe etino at the end of the day we asante him abeka sam no akati
Captain Smart.
I want to tell you, sir, unemployment rate in this country 47%. What Bema Brian Honey analysis?
I don't take short and take madness.
Brian Honey analysis. Who call a Maya Cassiana? One way she say, I will say Nipeni Jubayana. What in fear do nine? And a calculation. It's all America. I could not wait in fear do nine. Or to be called by a your friend one, your friend will be community service.
So,
and what you know, when we high school, no, or to be quiet, Juba, no, your man stipends, your man be being kitten, no, my man and the papa na channel, but yet you man be being kitten. It's a qualaketwano, but once we be at the bank account, no, I started adding kitten or general, to who could share parent, ODBA, onje. Your only be no obaje. There, or be no, not a wow account, kakra. And on a man, a Maya Cassette who said, Sakwada didn't fear Dudum,
Captain Smart,
especially America
the king
and UK.
of morning shows.
If you fear Dudum, fear Dunsia, or better, Kaka.
He is
Because
smart.
that time, I don't know what tasty said you see here, Juma, near here. Ghana, unemployment rate 47%. Let nobody deceive you. And you see, it is not just in Ghana. You see, across Africa, it is estimated that more than 180 million people in Africa is But between 10 to 12 million. Who told you that lie? Ghana for Mebuna, any Juma, ye wokruma. What do any carry 5 million? Don't forget, sir, underemployment and unemployment. It is be a private security. Now, was we 450 or yeah, do what Medina with the private security, I will East Lagos. Near track 450 Ghana cities. Is it not unemployment? Sikaro the fan law effect, or the faka keke. Say, obi a post in Ghana, would the post in Ghana? That's how we are corporate, Lance, we are corporate. That's how so. Now a man finds about 2,000 Ghana cities. What I mean, 3,000 Lance corporate. Hey, I'm so glad. I didn't know 3,000. We are Lance corporate. I buy my baby internet. It's a Lance corporate. I post to FBA. Edward Bank crying. I want to adopt for fear. I will poke wase. Yadi waba Achimota police station. Now about 3,000. Ofaka call Faka, Uber, call for Uber, but so many about 30 days. Now we are underemployed. Underemployment is unemployment. I am in that definition. Because me, if I were the president, we are underemployed. Who need to buy? And we are friends to Tobidi just out to be the Guatemala. And on a Pabrani to be 2 p.m. No, what talk garden, no, they won't call one. What they tell you say to an enemy for boy and go. No, dear William. No, a pacoda. What? Would the Garita? Who be new? Nothing change mobile phone with.
I don't take short.
Oh, me wanna.
Captain
Would the
Smart,
Garita? We are
shows. He is smart. He is unique.
So therefore,
he is the best.
As I say, it's a lie for anybody to tell us that the whole Africa, you tell me between 10 to 12 billion. The whole country, are buying trade the how many people are buying to Watch this. Omaya to be nipa buying to 2 million. Pacho, yes, I don't know what you're saying. 38 million. Any part 38 million. I buy 2 million. And about the 2 million car. In 36 million. Shows. 36 million. No. Media general da haka krake nyina nipa media general 2,000. Moi. It is the biggest media house in Ghana. Media general. I salute you. Auntie B, Mr. Ma, Shando, and others, and the board, Nina, the Mama Mo. yen ye won crofo e do so e ye adwuma Ghana empo no ye ndu 1000 enti fa won aka check presenters no wo krom ha ne bu afu say ne kra won kwa adwuma adentra wa ye adwuma sa 6 months dentu anaka kingdom ni wura jebi we ye adwuma how many months papa dentu aka 3 years ojai akwa fa say wani amofa jebi ye adwuma ho fie ni ansa na oni ska odi tu anaka ojai jebi so ya not on the radio to say akwa we also a presenter wani gwen bibini au e fie bi ansa mo fa ntu anaka bibini ye nipa o amofa mmoa danu jebi boss no wa fra misonuama na betu jebi ka aso ho ojai fa jebi akati ama no but the reason is that enye sabe de bani asi amofa ho
ageta
wo we bie adwuma Ghana ha ina adwe ye o se adwuma bi ani ho eti wo pa obeyi wadi wo kwa obi beba eti China ni timi ba krom ha no the chain abetu Ghana maburu nan watakura de say woman ko break aya omo timi chaba 2 minutes 3 minutes it me ma won ko break no the chain at Ghana ni nine so it is not true 47% of Ghana for near Juma year you see the lever must pull we must pull as people in the market. The lever we got to pull is the market. We need to have the full implementation of African trade that alone can fetch Africa $450 billion US. I sat down and I said that no, let me research into some of these things. And I came to appreciate the fact that Ghana, you're very serious. Just gold. Gold the pair. Say Ghana, what's it? Gold, Ghana say a serious country, gold the pair can take care of the whole of Ghana. They are Kofa Togo, Abeshem, Mali, Abeshem, Ivory Coast, Abeshem. They are Shawambia Kahon. But what are we doing? We are doing nothing. So we will be able to lift 30 million Ghanaians out of poverty. We will be able to lift 30 million Ghanaians out of poverty. If indeed we are serious about gold. I sat down last night, I was just thinking about something. When you say tomatoes, a cash crop. Yeah, crop, cash crop, cocoa, cash crop, coffee, cash crop. I'm so fetch it. Cancer, cash crop, cocoa, cash crop, coffee, cash crop, there was some say cotton, cash crop, then the share butter. No, tomatoes, cash crop. Maybe again a man penny, tomatoes, the cocoa. You buy the pet. So only man catch all. When did they tell me catch all? Say Ghana for tomatoes were him. You fat dollars and a cock tomatoes. Ediba Ghana namwa. Ye kokra tomatoes fi Burkina. Enti tomatoes are cash crop and asa ye cash crop. Bibini au. What wa dwe dey etrim. Asa ye drink ketenkete. Bibini. Ye drink ketenkete. Ghana pe na wo kwa kosi dan a na obi afre wa trase na wade ya wo koyi. Wo maye sei, wo maye 6. Gwen. Na wo kwa kosi dan a. Ojai. Kosi dan a 10 bedrooms. Na here na obeda. Aho, say wo money na nyiri na obuja hokọ. Na wo convert it. Guest house ayenye. Yey. Enye. Eti ye dey drink kete na hye yetrim. Ti ye nyansa ye nkete. Sese baby a ye duru no ho. Sese yetimi to ye bo asese oman. Now you're creating what I call the 12 big bets. Bet here, which I be eating. Now the S are so. Because number one, you today war Africa, titru Ghana hano. So be a catch or say lazy or boy. What is a born no man? Shahuadia Mebrun de Dessa. Yeah, lazy. Even though I have a challenge, in any country where everybody wants to be a dancer, check the quality of the sperms of their fathers. When or maybe a dancer piano, Papa for the Sabi woman, yes, our fam, sperm in your quality in your correct. Or maybe a was as is what I could be a person dancer. It is our body person dancer. Check the quality of the sperm of your husband. JB, dancer, any doctor, they not very respected. Dancer, any nurse, they not very respected.
Captain Smart.
Yeah. Dancer, any broadcaster, they not very respected. Dancer, any engineer, they are all respected. So in any country where all the youth want to become dancers, check the quality of the sperms of their fathers and the womb of their mothers. We need to create what I call no empty seats in this country. A no empty seat approach. Every 18 to 35-year-old is guaranteed one of three within 6 to 9 months. Paid apprenticeship, dual training, wage stabilized and subsidized first job, or funded micro enterprise with coaching. One, no empty seats. Number one, paid apprenticeship. Then Tina say, Obi Koye internship I into Anika. Waba Onua TV, Onua FM, TV3, 3FM, APL, Onua FM, Akuma FM, Connect FM. Yes, so I internship into Anika. But say be me we dey bill no edi no. Na we so dey bill no edi no. Na we so dey bill no awom. Na we kasa ntem. So when you hear ni no butu so ahun ne ya. Kasa ye tie o.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
And here for one that break him all. I saw the W never go so. They don't say I say I have one change. I say, oh, I ain't change. And here for the what the other most? Maybe I don't come on any agent. What's me saying as a sort of I'm going to change. Oh, had a near. I said, what I need. Or to swamp a swamp. I said, the Kennedy. But Sabama, where do I be here? Huh? Now, or be all dream. Kakrabi. Oh, no, because listen, most rich men or nipa won't answer no, they will give you financial orgasm. Maybe who nyading? Don't catch up some 3 minutes man I may pay. But I can give you money that will take you more than 30 minutes. Madam, think, we can be a 3 minutes, so what? JB a 3 minutes today. He will give you money that can take you 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. We are talking about financial orgasm. You are sitting down talking about a sexual orgasm. If you get a money, we could because maybe they never have no to them no amount chop money crab and pay. Hey sister. So number one, I see a baby a year Juma, Ukosia Juma ya. Anye Kurane, 30 Ghana, 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, 200, 300. That's what I call the dual trading. Number two, wage subsidized first job. Maybe you got a man penny. Let's say you're forward woman, and now you're a first time worker. Won't you tax?
Smart, the king of morning shows.
Let me tell you. I if you say the taxes na your money, it's a lie. So one person would do in Sabeka resources and all the taxes. Ayo man tell me ye. One question economics or school no matter die. Nyansa edibu man nim e book mu nyansa no wo. Or maybe or then the resources SCA no and all the taxes. Ayo man ye. Number 1 typical America. America nya na say gold na wo California no betu. Eti ojeje to and your mind or the SCA. UK anya na dey say ni gold bebrebe wa bo anu egu ho no obeton eti or the to and your mind yie eti or maybe on person or the nsabeka oba de ejapade no or the to and your mind yie and yen so ye wo gold diamond bauxite timber lithium oil ne de ade na ye de yen saka no ye tete to so na ye de sai japade no ayo mind yie.
The king of morning shows.
That is why I keep telling you, say, me a Ghana man penia. Time I have me did 3 months a free port. You go for a card. One day I'll teach you that. I've told JB. I'll be clear when you're free. Huh? And remember you sika more. Cratch and sika now me jeju ho no. Me a Ghana man penia. Yen tia duty. Yen tia duty. Eti omaya on person de nsabe kan ejapade no e na ojeje to enti America je to UK je to Russia je to we mu je to enti say o person what the American ase here Ghana for call Libya no. How many of you were paying taxes?
Eto de ye
Eti Gaddafi betna se ha na fe wa ka kire wo say akwada oda ye furumu kura no ye sini dan ama no mebua na mo call Libya no. Ena abrofuru who said no. Ye trauma Gaddafi echa or the sanyansa na Kwame Nkrumah de bae no or the foforo samba ebema ye ho akyen ye be useless say ye Europeans. Eti ye pe Kwame so de kum.
He is
Brother
smart.
Mama Gaddafi and ye kum Gaddafi.
He is smart.
Eti o maybe wo ejapade a wo de won saka no eto wote so. Me ye Ghana man pani a wo bia your first time awokoye adwuma wo first 9 months untua tax bia no ho abetua bi we give you your whole salary now the call
Captain Smart.
and then your friend wage subsidized first job and no cry yan fa de say we be ka say subsidy me the subsidize that show to me show mo na chance eti JB afen wa koye adwuma foforo income tax 10% e say JB 0.3%. Subsidy that. Then we have funded macro enterprise with coaching. Today, Blue Financial Services. Blue Financial Services. Yay. Stanchart. Absa. Fidelity. Your friends say other banks and other micro and finance enterprises say okrumano one more here dey the responsibility of the finance minister to sit down with them and make sure say government will guarantee 80. Let's do the Norwegian way. Unye nipa 100 bi aboa no a wo ina akosua etire ya enema say no here you give them equal access, you give them equal tools, you give them equally client available locations. And you say that we are assuming say I just want na what be and nipa mienu pe na beba be omuti 1 week nipa 2 na be omuti sa 1 week nipa 2 na be omuti no wo dryer na esi ho no ya tro ho property of the government of Ghana, not for sale. Now, it's at the end of the amount. One of the year, Juma, but I know what they are. It is an award in the Pabianu Bayo Mutia. Fabako the NHMU, Nafa Efa Eco Blue Financial Services, Fakotiaka. It's over my home, Babu Sumin Siano. Now, as a dryer Mianua, what Trabako carry. See about paper. The one who left home. The event said we would interconnected. It is a open path free who cry. You know the banker. So within 6 to 7 months, you have paid for one. Another 6 to 7 months, you have paid for two. Another 6 to 7 months, you have paid for three. The driest becomes your property. So you create employments, permanent one. We are now a catch and say one day maybe I trust any budget taxes for Krumha. Time no conti. Many time 80%. We are Onua. This is what Ghana. How Ghana can do this? Use the new Ghana Labor Market Information System, the GLMIS. This is what I call it. And public employment centers to match 1, monitor, 2, and pay. Link ID cards. O mam hayeni ID card. The momo friend of Ghana card no. Ebola. Ebola. So that yenye card papa, it can be linked to injury. Because it was a CIA. Obi here do company bi mwepra. Company na to jeje meboa. Obi the company car konya accident. Obi enu a o fi no. Obi akwakọ ye adwuma company machine atwa nsa company ni mfi no.
I'll choose the Ghana.
Maternity and pensions. So informal workers can carry protection.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
If you gave me 1,000 interchange in the Ghana car, I'll choose the Ghana car.
Yeah, sorry, they are telling because that's one they are going to sorry them. Money. They did agro. Say, I'm an okay. Say, let me read this for you. 6. Wofa Ghana say you link it to all African trade. So, Jeku for time no kofa agua. So, ebaye, and then ye ko yerimno Mahama 2016. So no be fear bem. Near wo ye say AFC FTA. And also ebabaye nana do baye and obeka homo musi wo mo dan fefefe. So, 6 export ready clusters around Ghana's logistics spine. Tema any dawa. Say dawa daho ayasem egu. Hey. Deme import inland Buankra inland port and also daho. And again and baby niema me anu pede yi niema firi ho. Tema any takrade. We be do one na why it choked. I'll come and tell you if I were the president. So aduya Okwako yi nema wotema haba. On to duty.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
And every week, I will raise $1 billion.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart.
Within 1 month, I'll raise $4 billion. I'll tell you that plan within this week. Sir, Father Abraham, Akranyama, Father Abraham on duty. He will use a card to pay. Say your man says Ghana. Ye close to 1 million containers every week.
Captain Smart, the king.
Close to 1 million containers a week. Research is what investigations are saying. Say more than half of the containers, they can never account for it. It's obi wakra frozen foods. Say ya kukwanam, say ya fish, say ya day. Odibeduna say 360 containers are. No, I 60 per duty. 300 na kanina no. No more triafem. Why? Are they boarding? Into Twitter. Now say Mahama Baya or Betty duty the Sokaka because dollar the call from no. Once a container say Ecosro. And Ecosro. I am telling you, it will be free. You will use a card to pay. Customer officers no, Omeko board and also. Akoye Juba. Kumasi, Anya Ye Kurano. That time here with timber companies. Kumasi. All the timber factories are Ghana Haina a goo It's Ghana Parliament Pakunyat. We go to China to import furniture for our parliament. Hey, are we serious at all? Meanwhile, as one said, technical school, or carpentry and joinery, Accra Technical Institute, or carpentry and joinery, Kumasi Technical Institute, carpentry and joinery, Ho Technical Institute, technical and carpentry and joinery. Meanwhile, if you want furniture for our parliament, we still go to China to import. Are we serious? Mentiasio.
I don't take short, I don't take madness. I don't take far.
So what I want us to understand, and I'll continue this tomorrow, how we can kill unemployment in this country. Have the A to Z, A, B, C, D, Once I Ghana, one go school, I was so doing fast. Have you realized that? Say it away. Yes, Captain Smart on co school. Pacho, oh, baby.
31, 32, 33.
Why you could have master's degree gratify? And the one where we class 1. But I was a then a quite despite. Otimi will be a one co school. Peace FM yere Hello FM yere Okay FM yere Any de aka onu mo ma fa won kuta master's degree.
Told her.
Have you asked yourself these questions? Nyansa be na wo ni tirim. Den no hu ye dai be no so ye. Can we say despite our institution? Eti o say bra. You found TV so, you found radio so. Minister of Employment would have a team to engage him. Now we say we talk cassette, now we turn and say then and now we understand. We should have a whole document, a research document about him. Have we done that? The answer is no. Papa ya odi GPRTU ba ya no Kumasi kwa fancy. Definitely. Ya tell sa ma papa no wu. But GPRTU by as a country, we don't have any document on him. Meboa, okay. Mamina, no more hockey. I'm a Professor Mills, ABC hockey pitch. Editor no, Theodosia or Coles or Co. Say hockey pitch now, Professor Mills is here. There's no hockey team in Accra. There's no hockey team in Cape Coast. No hockey team in Kumasi. No hockey team in Ghana. It's a pitch this you are saying. Did we, as people, put any document, any research document about that woman? The answer is no. Papa na Otro Ghana anthem no. See a gentleman now. Yes, I need a body in Sabrani. Me refi di ya fan say. Na efremamo anamwa. Ne a body in Sabrani no ko. Documents about him. Daddy Lumba and I'm 21st century. Daddy, deal.
Of morning shows.
Yeti answer Daddy Lumba swako hospital. Adi asase ya de man no nro ni niam ansase ha ekwa ho.
I don't take short, I take madness.
Also team. There was nothing done on Daddy Lumba.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Hey, yeah, she one ho. Metuwei, Behini, team, na me call. Now, what by she sharing one TV in radio, so captain. No, you papa say. Me no tell my school fees. Me no hear me say. If you so baba suno I me boy. I am more in today, me woo.
Obi say boy, idin she.
No, I me boy, me woo.
Idin she.
So there's nothing about the people we have in this country. Now let me finalize it with my own group CEO.
She is a man.
Madam Beatrice Ajman.
She is a man.
A man na manage radio and TV stations.
Smart.
She's the
king
finest and most successful woman. Waiting me manage a whole group. Captain Smart
She is a man.
The general manager. Because when the microphone is semi coma, as to the way I be behaving, we mic now, then I come to normal. And TV, I manage Abaye Jumawaha as a reporter. From reporting to newscaster. From newscaster to lead presenter. Onua Maakye lead presenter. Wabaye lead producer. I produce Kwesi Pratt when I hot issues. When we and no Wabetra TV3 Aka news. Waka news in every year. Wabe position kakra sa say on the group CEO. On managing NIPA over 500. How is she able to manage those people? How is she able to manage Captain Smart, JB, Efiatago, Johnny Hughes? For Japasu, not someone didn't check presenters. I can't radio. But Antibi is able to manage him. Antibi is able to manage the coolness and the softness of Mr. Shandov. One of the brilliant, fantastic, but very cool and soft managers Amesia is Mr. Shandov. Very cool, very soft, highly intelligent. Antibi is able to manage Ono. Antibi we are no we are managing Giovanni. Hey, she's able to manage Giovanni. Giovanni will break all laid down protocols, even when security officers, even when armed forces are in session. Giovanni will break protocol. No, I couldn't even know so much. Antibi is able to manage him. Antibi is able to manage me. You know, yes, Saturday show TV3 defense. Alfredo Kanse.
He is smart.
Antibi, maybe not the Captain Smart. I bet at all. Or managing Captain Smart. Ask Mr. Shandov to tell you when I am wearing my microphone. He will tell you, I don't know, Captain. Sometimes I cannot tell what comes over you. Is it Popo Biribiri? Or what is it? When you are not having your microphone, you are a different person. How? Then Mr. Shandov will sit me down this way, that way, this way, that way. This woman called Antibi, we will sit in this country and watch her to grow and die. As people will never do any research about him. When we say I'm in Houston, a person will take college for Michael Jackson because they did a comprehensive research on Michael Jackson. So they can produce, if not the same, another Michael Jackson to bring revenue and attraction to the United States of America. That Lumba is dead and gone. Your friend say that Kedi is dead and gone. Your friend say yet it was no we've not done anything about them. Dr. Rokoto obewu no ko Ajos bewu no ko obia bewu no ko. Now come to woman omo ye bibidro san ye nananom na omo ye bibidro eti ye nananom antimi an kire yen eduro no they died and went off with those niema na betimi aboye. Me mama akosha ya ate hey eyadom.
He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
But ask yourself, in the 17th, are they 18th, are they
You have just 1 minute remaining.
Let me tell you, documentation is employment. If you care to know, within the last 7 minutes, the person trying to say, documentation is employment. If we are able to document what I question we are, the creative.
You have just 1 minute remaining.
Yet we document for Abraham, you're creating employment. Because one a baby draw here, part of a way by me. A drawaway, or no, one. You only hear one advert or take or bone your honey one. Don't forget, say, or when you pay 3, 4 or more other media houses are once we hear advert. As a work of factory home, one will chaba in Uraneba, one will home, one CSC, no one process it. You also say machine, the Edigum, the onion, you test her said, no, silence here, and I say, I dead do because leave be a coca home, the ocean here, the Obama model of a church, the oya decay, the oya container way, shipping, the oya way, the oya labeling. So when we document Akosu Aduya, we have created 1 million jobs.
So
why are we sitting down as people and leaving very intelligent people to die and go away with their knowledge?
You have just 1 minute remaining.
Yet what's I be say otumfo so be no be I dream man about the team create otumfo education fund. I know free kuma se be se kotua school fees e over tarege. No otumfo ko school o kotua doma secondary school for school fees. At the politank ko. How was he able to do that? Nobody would even think about documenting him, having a whole research book about Let me also mention Domahene. Who would document things about Domahene? The things he's saying, if they are correct or not, are we able to document it and prove it with the past and the current information? We watch him to die. Gamancha, he's the only surviving Gamancha. Where didn't you want training abro? Or shall I say, Mahama 2016 nobody Nanado first term, Nanado second term. Mahama come back is Gamancha way or Gamancha be anywhere to Fourth Republic. Where the 8 years moi. How? Or you dare no to be here. But we are sitting now watching him. You be one saying Krafwas sorry, you peno me to know.
Told ya.
Me sure say enche, o me sure say en kran pe na ban bi about the Gamanche ba.
Burakadesh.
This is what I'm talking about. We need to sit down as people. Documentation is employment.
The king of morning shows.
Documentation is employment. We need to find a way to document certain people, and that alone can create jobs for us. Tomorrow, I will continue, and I'll tell you some of the 7 things we got to do as people, A to Z, to create jobs. Hospitals, nurses, now I'm nursing training college, you know. I buy a bemo edimo. So I buy catch said hospital no more ma wapem. Ghana pen obiko school or kosua biochemistry. Our University of Ghana, Legon. We had not a bank or a teller. There's something wrong with us. We need somebody to advise the president. And yet the wire politics actually. And the nyansa e wo ditrim. Amemo, and yes said the wanyini ontimi mumai. And the osa ontimi mumai. Ye wo obi a wanyini nyansa e di mumai wo ditrim. And obi osa nyansa e di mumai wo ditrim. And ye wo pani a wanyini so wagimi ontimi mumai. And ye akwada ono so wagimi ontimi mumai. Eti amemo anya se we ya akokora. We ya brante. Ye wo de nyansa e di mumai wo ditrim.
Captain Smart.
Saso ne so asene.
King of morning shows.
Fabewosu brewo. Ami adom echina. I'll continue this. Yen fa saso nkrato no. Pacho ye ba. Ye beto aso.
Onua Maakye Fabewosu.
Amenda wase.
Told ya.
Ena ma mi ankasa ba. Eno akosua eduya. Aha. And my end. Na ke do no fifi o.
Mo if said do aya. Nyeya edu akosua edu aya.
Edu aya.
Yeah.
Enya edu ya.
Dabi edu aya.
That's so correct.
Bo mi di ni ye na no na
akosua edu aya.
Yeah. Utimi frame aya, utimi frame edu. Edu aya.
Okay.
Auntie bi baby a obi amecha. Ona o managi papa ya oti.
Wani.
Yeah, dear. Yeah, dear. Auntie bi bo mi nsem ma wa ya dear. Captain.
Yes, ma'am.
No kre no waka no. Ye na nanom no kre omo wudi nro no ko na enso nyame adom omo gyaye mu no mu bi na asema wo kan de wani da fom izan say ye no mo kora ye titi he bepimi nei ye ma no omo wai ye ma no omo wai nti akakakra as a nation say ye kekan ye ho izan say we are singing na power specialist about hospital ene the doctor ko se adua ya ana yetimi hwe yade ko ankroko de ewu hepatitis A B C D izanza dana yakwaje award wo osu ho no ghtrend for ya award ceremony na wo se power nko ade timi gi award no dia na se si aye ka